What about in social media? Will we see M&A play an increased role in social media? Will Facebook start buying companies?
It's certainly possible. I think that the Facebooks and Twitters of the world are really focusing on building their business models. I personally think that they're not going to go public in 2010. They could, and I think they'd probably get a valuation that could be attractive. But I think they need to mature a little bit more. Their revenue model is not where it needs to be, I think, in order to be a public company and deliver numbers every 90 days.
What about Zynga game networks? A lot of people are putting their money on that.
Possible. I think that is a more mature business model. I think they have more revenue and a more recurring visibility into their revenue. So I think that actually could be a company that goes public probably second half of 2010.
We've seen some big investments in some of these companies like Digital Sky Technologies investing in Zynga. Do you think that that is going to delay the IPOs that we might have seen otherwise?
It certainly could. It certainly could. I think personally that's a little bit of an unusual situation, but there is a lot of pent-up demand from the private equity world where a lot of firms have not done significant deals in the last 18 months. So the prices being paid are much more competitive than they were. Even though the debt markets are still fairly weak in the U.S., I think you're going to see some deals done that are traditional late-stage deals that might put off an IPO for a year or more.